Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. Yes, we've been out for a while, but we're there, we're still there, we're keeping safe. You know, we just like everybody else, are monitoring this whole pandemic, what's happening, but we're here and we're keeping safe. Please remember to hit that subscription button if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, you've been watching us and trying to know if you need to subscribe. Please subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell as well, so that as we drop a video, you get it. What else we need to say? Follow us on Instagram.
Right? At YaadMentz.
At YaadMentz.
Like
Facebook page. What else?
Like the video if you've been enjoying our content.
Comment. I am Sean and this is
Debbie.
So we have another episode for you guys. I think we should have done it for a while now, but this product has been out for a while. We saw it in America. They had a craze for it over in the States. And they brought it out here a couple weeks now. Yeah. So we said we want to try it and see if it's all about the craze. But before we jump into this, if you haven't seen our latest videos, we did some videos recently on
some
Moon
vacation
Palace.
spots and
spots, Moon Palace, and we went to Rio earlier up in the summer. So please check out those videos after this episode, of course. Please watch this episode first. So we're going to dive into this new sandwich.
What kind of sandwich is it?
So it's a
Popeyes
chicken.
what?
It's the Popeyes Chicken Sandwich. We got the spicy one. They have a mild as well. So we just ordered the plain sandwich alone because we just wanted to try just the sandwich to see what the craze is about. So this is this. Did I say it's the spicy one? This is the spicy one. Let me mention it again. So it's bread. We'll take it out. So it's bread, chicken, some special sauce, pickles. That's it.
That's it.
That's basically it.
And how much was for it?
Alright, so the sandwich alone is $650. If you want,
you're not getting fries.
No fries, no juice, no $650, right? And if you want fries and drink, that's $750.
Why them do it?
Yeah.
This better taste good. That's all me have to say.
I do hope it tastes good. Let me get a knife so that we can cut the sandwich in half.
Why?
So we can share it. Yeah, just the knife. Try to get it before.
Oh my god.
So
I'm so hungry, you guys.
It come in a nice little package.
Just ready to eat this. God
love that chicken sandwich, Popeyes.
This is how the package. This is a different kind of packaging. So them usually package them sandwich at Popeyes.
I'm not sure.
I don't think I've ever had a Popeyes sandwich before.
No.
I don't think so. Okay.
Okay, so this is the sandwich. It's for $650.
I feel like that too there though. What do you think? Comment down below.
Yeah, we'll cut it in half. Hold it nice.
Chicken look big though. Okay. Friend, don't eat my pickle. You never cut it good. Cha.
So that's it. It's really just pickles, bread, and sauce. Really.
Ready to try?
Yeah.
Cheers. I mean, it's not bad. You can definitely taste the spice. It's not bad. No, vamos a hacer.
We just eat first, and then we talk.
So you're gonna eat the entire thing?
It's not much. Yeah, that's it. That's my piece. You should get a bigger piece, people.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Alright.
Is it the sauce that makes it spicy or is it the chicken? Because the chicken not really taste spicy to me.
Yeah, the chicken don't taste spicy.
I mean, it's obviously like chicken breast, breaded chicken breast. But
Alright, so I mean, for me, the bread is really soft to the point of moisture. I don't know if it's the butter that they bake it with.
Sauce, maybe.
No, I don't think it's the sauce. I don't know if the butter that they bake it with, but the bread is really soft. It's not dry none time at all. The chicken as well it goes good with the bread. It's not dry as well. The sauce, I don't think I'm a fan of the sauce. When I just bite into the sandwich though, they could taste the pickles like right straight out. The pickles was just overpowering every other everything else. I could see the craze. I could see why there's a craze. With the bread, you know, and everything combined together. But for me, the outstanding taste in it was just the pickles. I could just taste pickles.
I think I like the sauce. The sauce was nice. This is not a bad sandwich, but for the price, not really. The craze, me not see the craze.
Yeah, the price is.
But the addition of the Pringles and the chicken.
Pringles.
Pringles, the palm wine. The pickles.
Yeah, oh my God, the Pringles.
The pickles and the chicken is a nice combination. I do feel like the chicken was a little bit salty. But
no,
the sandwich,
I don't get the salty in the chicken.
That's fine, hypertension, you can stay over there. But I feel like the chicken was a little bit salty. I don't know.
I didn't get that saltiness from the chicken.
And I don't, and
the chicken was
not
crunchy
flavorful.
Though. The chicken was crunchy. Yeah, you taste that crunch?
I mean, I didn't really taste that crunch.
Okay.
I feel like it soaked up in the sauce that was on the sandwich.
It
wasn't bad. I mean,
if somebody
buy it for me, would I eat it? But me myself would buy this.
I don't think it's worth $650. Probably. I mean, look at the size for the burger.
And you don't get no fries and you don't get no drink. I better maybe buy the strips box so them have this.
Alright, so we're not talking about chips. We're talking about the chicken sandwich. Please, let's.
It don't matter.
Let's
Me, I make one comparison. Okay, I better if you buy something from Popeyes, yeah, you can try it 1 and 2 times, but you know all that. I better you buy something else where you can actually get more for your money.
I mean, it was a good try, ladies and gentlemen. To be honest, it wasn't bad.
Would you give it a YaadMentz thumbs up, thumbs down, halfway?
I would give it a halfway thumbs.
Same, I'll give it a halfway thumbs.
It wasn't there. It never hit it for me.
Yeah,
it wasn't a hit. It wasn't a hit. But I mean, it's something good that they can you can see it overseas and then bring it out here.
Yeah, so that we can on the craze.
Right, so that we can get a try of what the craze is about, even though we get it like way after. But
I know, so long after.
You know, we still get for try it. But big up yourself, Popeyes. Please reduce the price. You know what I mean? Add something else to it. I feel away because it could have been more. You know, them could have done more. The sandwich could have bigger, you know what I mean? But I don't know.
It not worth the money, but the taste is alright. I mean,
it can go on, people. It can go on. I don't know if I would buy it again though.
That's why I'm gonna say, would I make somebody buy it for me? I'm gonna eat it.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Like if you want to buy me, you say, oh, I have a sandwich for you. Yeah, would I eat it? But I'm not gonna take up my money and spend and say, oh, may I buy a sandwich for $300, $600 and $1. Not really.
Well guys, there you have it. If you have tried the new Popeyes chicken sandwich, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
If not, we're on the fence on this one, but you can still go ahead and try it.
Definitely.
But hey guys, again, thank you for watching another YaadMentz videos. Please check out our other videos that is on our channel. We have different playlists that you can watch over and over again. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, your family, whomever. Get us to 1,000 likes. We're at what, 800 and something now?
1,000 likes.
1,000 subscribers. Help us get us to 1,000 subscribers, right?
Yeah. Also remember to check out my channel. I have a channel called
Just Devi Marie.
So you can check out my channel. The link will be in the description box.
It's in the description?
Yes, it's always in the description. I'm not write the description, people. I mean write the description. That's why I'm not.
Alright, let's not get who does what. Because you.
So we are starting.
You know the thing.
Anyway,
guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, you guys. Do not listen to him.
Big up yourself. Stay safe out here.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Yes, Merry Christmas
when
you
it
guys.
comes.
And Happy New Year when it comes to.
Right. Happy New Year. Big up yourself, YaadMentz.
Bye guys.
Bye.